Did they have a day that they could bring the boat here to practice? I don't know. Bathtub. All right. And they touched. Oh, it's a close one. They really want those trophies. Bragging rights. Oh. Boat face is having trouble at the turn. The lunchbox program heading back. Look how synchronized. I mean, it's like flawless the way that they're doing it. The way that they're moving that boat is like in the water. I don't know. I mean, it's just like they must be counting. I just don't know. It's so scary.
Go in. They're flying.
All right. Congratulations, the lunchbox program and Honey Boat Face. Good job. And I'm still waiting for my pizza. Where's my pizza? Where's supposed to deliver the pizza? Is that the size I can